Hey guys, it's James. I'm at the AutoNuvo shop. I'm working on a brand new series for the Detailed Image Ask a Pro blog called Detailing Essentials. So for me, education, going out there, talking with other detailers about, what products they like, what different techniques they might have, that's always been a big part of my career. And I wanted to create a series about products and techniques and procedures that have in some way kind of upped my detailing game and moved the needle along. And that's what this series is all about. It's a multi-part series highlighting those exact things. I also really want this to be kind of a melting pot of ideas, right? I want to hear back from you guys about what products, what different tips and tricks you've picked up that have upped your detailing game as well. Again, it's going to be Detailing Essentials on the Detailed Image Ask a Pro blog.